The lost sheep. Have you ever felt lost, like no one would come looking for you? What if someone left everything, just to bring you back? Jesus told this story to help people understand God's love. Imagine a shepherd who has 100 sheep. Every day, he watches over them, leads them to green pastures, and protects them from harm. But one day, he notices something terrible. One sheep is missing. The shepherd doesn't say, "It's just one." He leaves the 99 behind and sets off to find the lost one. He climbs rocky hills. He searches through dark valleys. He listens carefully until finally he hears a faint cry. There it is, the lost sheep, scared and alone. The shepherd gently picks it up and places it on his shoulders. "Celebrate with me," he says. "I have found my lost sheep." He smiles with joy. He goes back home and calls his friends and neighbors. Then Jesus said, "In the same way, there is more joy in heaven over one sinner who repents than over 99 who do not need to repent." You are never too far gone. God sees you. He seeks you. And when you return, heaven rejoices. Thank you for watching Stories of Grace. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bible stories that inspire. See you in our next story.